You'll need 4 cardstock colors to build a lighthouse with this die. It's a great way to use up scraps and cut all the pieces at once. For the base layer, you can use yellow, black, or white cardstock. Then build the top layer with red, white, and black. The base layer has the cut lines to show you exactly where each piece goes. We recommend using yellow cardstock only for the light beam and the 2 small rectangle dies. The benefit of the yellow base is that all the windows will show up in yellow after you add the top layers. Just remember, avoid putting glue behind the window areas on the base. Start building the top layer from the bottom. Begin with the door piece and work your way up one piece at a time. If you use a black base layer, all your windows will be black. You can skip some of the black trim pieces, but we still recommend adding the door and lantern room window. They help anchor the yellow pieces. A white base gives you flexibility. You can color the windows with marker in any shade you'd like. If any white edges peek out from the sides, use a black marker to go over them for a clean and polished look. So what color would your lighthouse base be?